decisions when that happens. We got all our crews out there watching it very closely for you. There's the dry line. There's the risk right now. It's a moderate risk in northwestern Oklahoma and Kansas. Enhanced risk, Oklahoma City to the west. What does it mean? Very large hail, tornadoes, strong winds, and a little bit of flooding possible as we go through the day today, especially this evening and tonight. I'll be back with a full weather forecast tonight.
Well, nothing like living in the bullseye of Tornado Alley. In 2013, just a block north of me, the houses were leveled. I didn't have any damage here, but I was without power. This is what kind of got me going on solar power. So I want to take a few seconds to give you an update on this roll-around planter deal. I replaced the plumbing with a brass spigot and used some plastic dip to help seal some stuff in there, rubber gaskets and all that good stuff. So I kind of took my video down that I posted yesterday. I want to make this a little bit better. Got some casters at Lowe's, the bigger ones. Been working on my buddy's little lawnmower here. Got that thing rocking and rolling. So here's some of the things I'm doing to get ready for tonight. Pulled out the generator, make sure it ran, and also built a little roll-around cart. Got a few extra more casters when I was at Lowe's this morning, and just used some quarter-20s and put them on a piece of wood that I had left over. The two front ones there are lockable casters, and the back, they don't lock. Yeah, danger, jet blast. But that thing, I should have done that years ago. So much easier to roll around here in the garage. This morning I was sitting at about 65% state of charge of my system. And let's see where I'm at now. I think I'm at about 88%. Yeah, voltage is looking pretty good. It's cloudy, it's sunny, it's that humid Gulf Stream coming up. So yeah, about 88%. What I did with my system here, since it's partial off-grid and I'm using a transfer panel to transfer solar power onto mains, is I disengaged all these switches to line, which is grid power. So right now, my system, all I'm doing is essentially harvesting and storing energy for tonight. And then once the weather starts coming in, I'll turn everything back up and be on battery power for the rest of the night. It's one of the cool things about having a transfer panel, an off-grid system. Now, another thing I can do is that this Outback Power VFX 3524, I can use the charger function here, and I'll show you. You go into charger mode, and I can charge the batteries this way while I have commercial power available. You turn it on, turn it off. I did that this morning for about 20 minutes or so just to make sure everything was functioning correctly and it'll work. And another cool thing, I've done this with videos in years past, is that I can actually hook that Honda generator into this system here to charge it that way. So, alright guys, tonight should be interesting. I may do a live video. So take care. Thanks for watching. See ya!